So this is 8b. We're going to continue factoring. That's the entire unit, as a matter of fact. And in 8a, we factored out the GCF. And we're going to do that in 8b too. But this time, what we're going to factor out is actually going to be a binomial, not a monomial. So if you're looking at this expression and you ask yourself, these two terms, this term and this term, what do they have in common that you can factor to the outside? You can see that this binomial, x plus 3, can come to the outside. So you bring him to the outside with parentheses around him, and what's left after you divide or take out the x plus 3 from each term, what's left on the inside is 5 plus y. And you can always prove this. You can prove that this is the correct solution because you can do a double distribution and go, okay, I'm going to take x times 5 plus y and 3 times 5 plus y and see if I end up with what I started with. Let's do another example. I think you'll get this pretty quickly after your eyeball gets used to looking for the common binomial. You can see that there is a y minus 2 in each term. It comes to the outside with the grouping symbol around it. And what's left on the inside, there's no plus or minus in between these two terms. They are multiplied together to get this original, the original expression. So what's left is 8 plus x. And again, if you double distributed and you distributed this and cleaned up all your like terms, you could prove that your answer is correct. Let's just run through these last two examples and see what we've got, and then we're going to move on to a different type of factoring as well. So again, I can see that they have this a plus b in common, and that would be my factor on the outside, and what's left on the inside is 3m squared n, and now the only thing that's left after I divide out this a plus b by himself is a ghostly 1, and it's negative. So you can see that this negative sign is here. That's what we're going to put as our sign, and then when you have factored out everything that's inside, you have to have a placeholder. There has to be a ghostly 1 there. And 7D is an example of exactly the same thing. The p plus q is the term that's in common. What's left is the 7xy cubed. And since the p plus q, we factored this guy out entirely, there is a negative 1 left on the inside. All right, I'm going to stop this video and then come back and pick up the next topic because it is different. This will give you just a short video this time, and we'll pick back up in a minute.